Well, hello there. It is 2 o'clock on a Tuesday morning. It's the end of a 4-day weekend for me, and I just spent the entire 4 days fighting with my friggin' bike. So here's the thing. Once a year, you're supposed to bring your Triumph bikes to the dealership to do some annual maintenance, but the nearest dealership is literally 1,000 miles away, so I do all my maintenance myself. So that involves going on their website, getting a membership to this Triumph technical information site. It costs $60 a day every time I need this. And then you download their software and you run all these diagnostics. And I have never been so happy to see so much green, because this is not the way that this looked for the last 4 days. I started this up, it said, hey, all these modules need to be updated. It goes, it updates the ABS, works great. Updates the instruments, works great. Updates the immobilizer, works great. Updates the engine ECM, fails. Fails. But it doesn't fail to clear my ECM. No, it has no problem at all clearing my ECM. At this point, my bike is bricked. This screen wouldn't show the gear selection, turning the motor on, nothing at all. Not even a click. So, this is what I've been spending my weekend doing. You'll see I've got a decompiler going on, I've got a DLL Explorer, I've got a different decompiler going on, I've got some code. So, here's what I discovered. Thanks to Joey O'Ravik. I managed to get this code running. It was last updated 7 years ago. It was compiled with Visual Studio 2008. But with some modifications, I figured out what happened is Triumph software. It said to the ECM, hey, could you clear the ECM? And the ECM goes, yep, I'll work on it. And then the software comes back 400 milliseconds later and says, hey, are you done yet? And the ECM says, nope, not done yet. Still working on it, but everything's A-okay. And the software goes, I'm just going to pretend you're ready and I'm going to forge ahead. Which, of course, does not work. So I had to hack the software in order to make it wait a little bit longer than 0.4 of a second. But now it's all updated, everything's all green, and it works!